Hey everyone, this is Mr.Oil1, and this is my baby parody, which I hope you enjoy. I got some parts of the song from other parodies that I've heard, but other than that, it's completely mine. Any other coincidental parts of the song was an entire accident. I hope you enjoy. So yeah. Oh, oh, I know you love me, I don't care. You call my house phone, and I'm not there. You want my love, oh, I'll for you. And we will always, always, always be apart. But we and I don't stuck together. I glued your mouth shut so you can't blabber. So that's my baby, look me right in my eyes. My first love confessed for the first time, and now I'm like, baby, 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 no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, don't say that baby is mine, mine. Baby, 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 no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, don't say that baby is mine, mine. Oh, for you, I wouldn't do whatever, and I just can't believe we aren't together. And I wanna play it cool while I'm peeing too. I'll buy you any bra, I'll punch you in the jaw. And I have nieces, baby damn. And you shake me till you wake me from this bad dream. My heart's down, down, down. I just can't believe you think that I'll be around. Baby, 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 no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, say that baby is mine, mine. Baby, 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 no, it's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, don't say that baby is mine, mine.
Luda, when I was 17, I had my growth spurt. There's nobody compared to my baby, and nobody can expect it up from above. They had me going crazy, oh, I was starstruck. Won't call me up for daily, don't need no Starbucks. It made my heart pound. Skip the beat when I see her in the street, and at school on the playground. But I really want to see her on the weekend. You know she got me dazed, and come, it was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking, but I just keep on saying, baby, 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 no, not my baby. Baby, baby, no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, don't say that baby is mine, mine. Baby, 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 no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, that's not my baby. Baby, baby, no, don't say that baby is mine, mine. Yeah, 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 gone, gone, it's gone. That was my Justin Bieber parody. I hope you guys all enjoyed. And I'll be making some more parodies probably, and some more movies. So yeah, make sure you watch my videos.